Hello and welcome in the class. My name is Sara and this is a short sun salutation video. Sun salutations are a great way to start your day or start your practice. You need nothing but a yoga mat or a carpet and you're ready to begin. We'll be starting in a standing position, Tadasana, at the front of your yoga mat. So please go ahead and stand up. Bring your feet hip-width apart, feet parallel, arms next to your body. You can roll your shoulders up, back and down a couple of times to open through your collarbones. And then release the shoulders down, gently close your eyes. Take a moment to fully arrive with your attention and awareness. Begin to notice your body, yourself. Notice where your feet touch the floor. Lift all 10 toes up away from the floor. Notice how your inner arches activate, the legs are active. And then release your toes one by one back to the yoga mat. Press your feet even more into the floor, lengthen through the spine. And then exhale to relax the face and the shoulders even more. Starting with a deep inhale through the nose. And a long sigh out through the mouth. Close your mouth. Continue to breathe through your nose. Join your hands in front of your heart, bringing the palms together. Let the pressure of the right and left hand be even, meeting yourself at the center. Listen to your breath. Maybe begin to generate deep and steady Ujjayi breath, breathing through the nose with mouth closed. With your next inhale, blink your eyes open, reach your hands up, look up, open through the chest, lift the heart up. Exhale, deep forward fold, bring your hands to the floor, belly to your thighs, relax your neck. Inhale, look forward, step your right foot back and then your left foot back, plank position. On your exhale, bend your elbows next to your body, chaturanga. Inhale into your upward facing dog, knees lifted off the ground, chest open. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift your hips up. 3 breaths in your down dog, hands rooting down. Inhale. And exhale. Lengthen through your spine. Inhale, hip bones reaching up. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. On your exhale, look forward, bend your knees. Inhale to step with your right foot forward, left foot forward, halfway fold. Exhale, deep forward fold, belly to your thighs. On your inhale, roll up to standing, reach your hands up, look up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, hands up, look up. Deep forward fold, exhale, hands to the floor, belly to your thighs. Halfway fold, inhale, step your left foot back, right foot back. Chaturanga, bend your elbows next to the body. Upward facing dog, inhale, chest open. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift your hips up. 3 breaths, keeping the spine long. Inhale. Relax your head and your neck. Exhale. You can absolutely bend your knees if it's necessary. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, breathe in. On your exhale, bend your knees, look between your hands. Inhale, step your left foot forward, right foot forward, halfway fold. Exhale, deep forward fold, belly to your thighs. On your inhale, roll up to standing, reach your hands up, look up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, hands up, look up. Exhale, forward fold, belly to your thighs. Halfway fold, inhale. Exhale, step or hop into your chaturanga position. Upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Inhale, arms and legs are active. Exhale, rooting down through your hands and feet. Inhale, lengthen the spine, hips reach up. Exhale. Last one, breathe in. On your exhale, bend your knees, look between your hands. Inhale, light hop between the palms or step between the hands, halfway fold. Exhale, deep forward fold, belly to your thighs. On your inhale, come up to standing, reach your hands up, look up. Hands to your heart, exhale. Inhale, hands up, look up. Deep forward fold, exhale. Halfway fold, inhale. Exhale, step or jump into your chaturanga. Upward facing dog, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. 2, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. On your exhale, bend your knees, look between the hands. Inhale, light step or hop between the palms. Deep forward fold, exhale. On your inhale, roll up into a standing position, reach up. Hands to your heart, exhale. Chair position, Utkatasana, bend your knees, reach your arms above your head. Deep forward fold, exhale. Halfway fold, inhale. Step or jump back to chaturanga, exhale. Upward facing dog, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Right foot steps between the hands. Bring your left heel to the floor. Right toes looking forward, left foot slightly turned out. Arms up. First warrior. Exhale, release your hands down. Step your right foot back. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog on your exhale. Your left foot steps between your hands. Your right heel spirals down. Arms up. Exhale to bring your hands back to the floor. Step it back. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale to bend your knees, look between your hands. Inhale, light step or hop, halfway fold. Deep forward fold, exhale. Chair position, Utkatasana, bend your knees, arms above the head. Exhale to stand up, hands to heart. Chair pose on your inhale. Uttanasana, forward fold, exhale. Halfway fold, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward facing dog, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Right foot steps between the hands, left heel down, arms up, full inhale. Exhale, hands down, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog on your exhale. Left foot steps forward, right heel down. Arms up, warrior one. Hands down, step back. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale to bend your knees, look forward. On your inhale, light hop between the hands, halfway fold. Deep forward fold on your exhale. Chair position, inhale. Stand up, exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair. Deep forward fold, exhale. Halfway fold, inhale. Chaturanga, step or jump back. Upward facing dog on your inhale. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Right foot between the hands, left heel down, hands up. Hands down, step it back. Vinyasa, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Left foot steps between the hands, right heel down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Vinyasa, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale to bend your knees, look forward. On your inhale, light hop, halfway fold. Exhale, deep forward fold. Utkatasana, breathe in. Stand up, hands to heart, breathe out. You're gonna hook your thumbs, imagine you're scooping the air. Reach your arms up and over, maybe arch your back a little bit more. Exhale, deep forward fold. Now interlace your fingers behind your back. Release your hands down. Step your right foot back. Bring your right knee to the floor. Inhale, arms up. Low lunge. Exhale, hands down. Step your left foot back, plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Back into your plank pose on your inhale. Knees, chin, and chest to the floor as you exhale. Slide through into your cobra. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Right leg up. Inhale. Exhale to step with your right foot between your hands. Left knee down. Arms up. Low lunge. Exhale, hands down, left foot forward, deep forward fold. On your way up, hook your thumbs, again scooping the air, arch your back, inhale. Deep forward fold, exhale, interlace those fingers behind your back. Bring your hands down, step your left foot back, left knee down, arms up, low lunge as you inhale. Hands down, exhale, step your right foot back, plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog, inhale to move into your plank, Exhale, knees, chin, and chest to the floor. Inhale to slide through cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale to lift your left leg up. Exhale to step your left foot between your hands, right knee down. Arms up, look up, low lunge. Hands down. Exhale, step your right foot forward, forward fold. On your way up, hook your thumbs again. Reach your arms up, open the chest. Exhale, hands to your heart. And then release your arms next to the body. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Sigh out. Root down through your feet one more time. Connect it to your body. Connect it to your breath. Knowing how to bring your attention always back to the present moment. You're now ready for your practice or for your day. I wish you a beautiful day, and I thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you next time. Namaste. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to this channel.